Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add tokens in Phantom Wallet. First, you need to go to the website of the phantom.com and you need to create your wallet. First, after creating your wallet, you can add it to your extension like this. You can select it from there only. Then you need to enter your password and unlock it. So as you can see, I have entered my password and now my wallet is open. So as you can see, this is the token list. This is the fresh account where you have to add the token. Click on manage token list and you can search whatever you want to search here. For now, I am searching Ethereum and you have to enable this option. Click on close. As you can see, you will be able to watch whatever you have enabled in the list of the token, and if you want any other, you can again go to the manage token and add whichever you want to add from here, and then you can go to close. So that's how you add a token in your Phantom wallet. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share to our video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.